Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how to delete a theme on your WordPress website. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So as you can see on my WordPress website, I actually have so many themes that I've installed. So in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to delete everything. That is how to delete all these themes. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to sign into your WordPress website dashboard. Once you get there, you simply click on what? File Manager. Once you're in File Manager, you simply click on what? The WP theme. After which you click on what? Themes. So these are the various themes you have on your what? On your WordPress website. So for you to delete it, you need to click on what? Delete. So you can delete all of them, and I'll leave only the themes that came with the WordPress website. The first time you install it on your site. So once you are done with deleting the themes, you simply go back to your WordPress website and you refresh the browser. So as you can see, there is no longer any of those themes on your WordPress website themes.